My name's Taylor, and today I'll be talking about the carbon cycle, specifically the carbon cycle's relationship to photosynthesis and cellular respiration. The carbon cycle, to put it simply, is how carbon is exchanged between different living creatures and plants, along with what that carbon is used for. To demonstrate, I've used my A-class drawing skills to create this model showing exactly where carbon ends up. Would you look at that? I'm holding my laptop here so that I can read everything that I have to say without memorizing it all. The printer's broken. I would have printed out like a sheet of paper, but I couldn't. That's beside the point. For our intents and purposes today, we're going to say that carbon is mainly found in and exchanged through one of two different compounds, carbon dioxide and glucose. You can see here that carbon dioxide, along with H2O and a little sunlight, goes into the tree through the leaves and undergoes photosynthesis. All of that carbon is now stored as things like glucose, cellulose, or starch. But humans eventually end up eating it like food in things like fruits or vegetables. There's also times when the tree dies and it just releases all that back into the atmosphere, but we're going to ignore the fact that it does that for now, just to simplify things. From there, that carbon's broken down and put inside oxygen that living creatures had previously inhaled. This becomes the carbon dioxide and is exhaled only to restart the cycle. I hear you asking, but why do plants and animals need this carbon? What do they do with it? Well, it's simple. Things like glucose and cellulose and starch are used as both a way to structure different parts of the plant and as well as energy. Cellulose is strong enough to create things like the cell wall that helps plant cells multiply. It's also used as energy to help different parts of the plant and creature function. Just as a reminder, this model is not 100% accurate. Carbon is not going to be moved in a perfect cycle. The carbon obviously still gets to wherever it needs to go at one point or another, but there's no set amount of time it spends in each area, and it isn't perfect, and even down to the molecule, you can see that no two amounts of carbon are ever going to be in the same cycle forever. And well, I guess that's all for now. There's not much else I need to tell you, so I guess see ya. I have no idea what else to do with the rest of my night. It's like 10 o'clock. I got a little bit of time before I go to sleep. I mean, I could do anything really. I could probably finish like a couple episodes of like Friends. I'm binge watching Friends again. Friends is a great show. It's on HBO. I have to edit this down. Oh shoot. For our intents and purposes today, we're going to say that carbon is made... Did I even start recording? From there, the carbon is broken down and put inside oxygen that lives... From there, that carbon is broken down and put inside I'm sorry. From there, that carbon is broken down and put inside oxygen that living creatures had previously inhaled. How is it still sending me messages? I need to mute my computer.